In the night I hear her talk, the coldest story ever told. Somewhere far along this road, he lost his soul to a woman so heartless. How could you be so heartless? Oh, how could you be so heartless? Okay, sorry guys for the cringe intro. You know I gotta throw one out there every once in a while. We're gonna talk about RAS and why RAS flips happen and why the woman that you once thought was infatuated with you and loved you out of the blue, once the relationship started to deteriorate, or even before you even saw it coming, why did she just flip? And like the switch of a button, like if I were to go over to this light right here, turn it on and off, see how quickly that was? Just like that, instantaneously, she turns into another person. Why does this happen? And this happens to every single guy, okay? At least one time, probably more, okay? If I'm being honest. So we're gonna talk about something called the RAS. Basically, and I'm gonna try to draw this on the back of a Trader Joe's bag. You know, this is a mom and pop business. Don't judge me, okay? I gotta make the situation work with what I'm dealing with here. I tried to get red and blue markers. I thought about that just to show you the different contrasts of the emotions we're gonna talk about, but we're stuck with the black Sharpie, good old faithful, okay? So I want you to let this funnel represent, let's say you're talking about your ex in the relationship, and this has happened to me. This is why I'm able to talk about it. This right here equals her perception. Okay, you guys see that? That's her perception right there. This funnel, this entire funnel right here. So within this funnel, she has positive emotions. We'll let the P's represent positive emotions and negative emotions. Boom. Okay. So her perception is also how she views you in the relationship currently. Okay. And most of the time when you think you're in love, her perception, and we'll get to it right here, is focusing only on the P's. There are some negatives within the relationship, but she's still focusing on the P's, okay? The positives. Let's say, sort of around the bottleneck of this funnel, this represents her RAS, okay? And this can apply to men too, okay? It's not just women that have an RAS, but for the sake of this relationship, for the sake of what I do on this channel, we break it down with female psychology, okay? So this is why I'm saying this is what happened in your last relationship, where there was just a switch and out of nowhere, the girl that you thought was so infatuated and loved you, even though you did all these great things with her, why she switched up and acted like a total stranger and ran away from you and probably wore the dresses and the bras and all of the nice things that you bought her and the places you took her, why she went and did that with some other guy, okay? This is your RAS, also known as your selective focus. So it sort of acts as a filter, okay? Within this selective focus, let's just say the relationship begins to deteriorate for whatever reason, even though there's more positives than negatives. Her RAS, or selective focus, will only allow, I should have done the ends or the negative experiences to trickle in, all right, to her selective focus, okay? And now this, the negative experiences with you, is all she can see, okay? So she can't, even though there's still positives going on, let's just say the positives were you took her on vacation to her favorite vacation spot, you got her everything she wanted for Christmas, you bought her a diamond ring or diamond earrings that she always wanted, and you always remembered to get her flowers once a month or something. Some nice guy shit. And then the negative experience, they were something minor, right, to you, where it was like maybe you showed up to a date 5 minutes late. Maybe you, I don't know, kind of forgot one of her stories from a long time ago, or you didn't buy her a balloon at Disneyland, okay? And this actually happened to me. That's why I just came out of nowhere. I didn't buy a girl a balloon from Disneyland one time, and the whole relationship totally flipped and she used that as a way to excuse her behavior and cheating on me. Okay? So what ends up happening, RAS filters out her perception, and from there, all that she can experience from here is what she'll rationalize. Okay, so then she begins to rationalize. Rationalize. You guys get the point. So you were late turns into he's always late, inconsiderate. But really, you were just 5 minutes late, remember? But she can only see the negatives now. She can't see the time that you took her on vacation, the time that you bought her a favorite dress, all these different things. No, she's focusing on all the negatives now. That's what she's filtering. Okay, so you being 5 minutes late turns into he's always late. You forgetting to buy her you not getting her the balloon at Disneyland shows you're inconsiderate or rude. So she can see that now. You forgot her story turns into you don't listen or bad listener. Okay. Okay. So this is exactly what happens when an RAS flip occurs in a relationship. The girl who might have experienced positives with you and negatives within her field of vision filters that through her selective focus to only focus on the negative things that happen to you, and then backwards rationalize why she cheated on you or why she ends up leaving you. And this is why we see a total flip in the personality. It's literally like a girl could be the beauty and then she could literally turn into like the beast. Okay, that's what happens. Okay, so be aware of this moving forward. I don't want you guys to like focus on it and always like, oh my God, like the girl's gonna RAS flip and backwards rationalize and blame me for everything. No, you shouldn't live your life like that where you focus on this. Also, I should say that the negative beliefs right here, or whatever belief is filtered, it could even be positives too. Let's say it's like the infatuation or the honeymoon stage at the beginning. The P's would be down here and those would get through her RAS. But because the N's are here, for the sake of example, those end up in like sort of like a loop, feeding back to look in her perception for more reasons why she doesn't like you. Okay, so she'll even like add extra reasons. It'll be like nitpicky things like not pulling out her chair, or you watch too much TV, or I don't know, your slop, like your breath stinks or some shit. But she'll end up looking for more reasons. Those then filter back in here, reinforce this belief, and it just becomes one big giant whirlpool of things. Okay, and then this is why guys lose their mind, because they're like, what happened to my sweetheart? She was so sweet, I thought she loved me. But in reality, she loved the perceptions that she held in her mind of you when you were positive, when she was viewing you through a positive lens, not when she RAS flipped and began to focus on the negative things you did, and then go out in her environment and seek more of those negative beliefs to reinforce and reinstall and cement in her brain that this guy, you know, he was all right, but I could do better. The grass might be greener on the other side. Let me go check that out. Let me go talk to this guy. It's in my DMs. Let me go talk to that guy. Let me entertain my orbiter. So just putting this out there for you guys, okay? If you know, you know. A lot of you guys already know this. If you don't, the best thing we can do is get this video out to more guys. What you can do is drop a like on the video, click that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any more uploads. I'll see you guys next time. Have a blessed rest of your day. Peace.